Although the modern wonders of the world are scattered all over the globe, to take a look at the ancient wonders, we will have to move towards the middle of the world map. All of these monuments and places are more than 2000 years old, and that is why we have little evidence to support most of their existence. But don't worry. Sit back and relax while I present to you the 7 wonders of the ancient world. Let us start with the structure that continues to exist even today. Any guesses? Okay, let me give you a hint. They are found in Egypt. If you guessed pyramids, you are absolutely right. The Pyramids of Giza is the only ancient wonder that exists till date. It is also one of the earliest man-made structures built around 2600 BC. It is a group of 3 pyramids, each preserving the tombs of the 3 pharaohs, Khufu, Khafra, and Menkora. The Khufu Pyramid is the largest of all and is also known as the Great Pyramid. Next ancient wonder is a 40-foot long statue of the god of the sky and thunder, Zeus, in Olympia, Greece. It was made up of wood in the mid-5th century BC, but was covered in gold and heavy jewelry from head to toe. The statue graced the temple at Olympia for 8 centuries, after which the temple was closed when the Romans conquered Greece. Another ancient wonder from the land of Greece was the Temple of Artemis, the goddess of the hunt, in the 6th century BC in the port city of Ephesus, which is now a part of Turkey. The hands of the greatest artists of the ancient world built and decorated this beautiful temple. It was destroyed by the Goths in AD 262, and its remains were first discovered by archaeologists in the late 19th century under the Cayster River. The Colossus of Rhodes was probably the tallest statue of the ancient times. It was a statue of the Greek sun god Helios with a height of 110 feet. Built in the 4th century BC, it existed for over 60 years, after which an earthquake destroyed it to bits and pieces. Almost a century later, when the Arabs invaded Rhodes, they sold the remains of the statue as scrap. And so archaeologists are not sure of the exact location of this massive statue, only being left with assumptions of its appearance. The world's first lighthouse is also one of the ancient wonders of the world. Situated on the river Nile, the Lighthouse of Alexandria was a guide to sailors on the river. Based on the findings, it can be said that the lighthouse had a great architecture with a square base, an octagon tier, and a cylindrical tower on top of it. At its peak stood the statue of Alexander the Great. Just like the Colossus, the lighthouse too was destroyed due to a series of earthquakes. Mausoleum at Halicarnassus. It was built for King Mausolus after his death in 353 BC by his wife. It also had 3 tiers in rectangular shape with the king's tomb in the topmost tier. Earthquakes were also the reason behind its demolition, but some of its remains have been preserved at the British Museum. Hanging Gardens of Babylon, now in Iraq, is the last mentioned in the list of ancient wonders of the world. I know what you might be thinking, a garden that hangs from above? How cool is that? Trust me, when I heard the name, I had the same reaction. But sadly, it does not literally hang from the sky. It was built on an artificial mountain in 600 BC by King Nebuchadnezzar II for his homesick wife. You might assume that this would also have been destroyed by an earthquake, but no. Although you might find its mention in Greek and Roman literary works, there is no actual account for it in the Babylonian scripture. Many scholars believe that it could be a fictional story and had no real-life existence at all. Each of these ancient structures had their own story behind its creation, some true, some untrue. But what makes them truly a wonder is their architectural build, which is unique in its own way.